Say hello, Charlie.
Sit down.
We've already done that joke, haven't we? Already done that joke. Say hello, Grumpy, I love you. Miserable bugger. Say hello, Granny.
Hello, Granny.
We've already done that joke.
Oh, sorry. Hello. Hello.
Oh my God. Charlie's going to take you for a tour. Are you ready?
No.
I'm asking the viewers, not you. And here's the new shop and diner area. Healthy. The Cribbar. As you can see, it's quite well stocked with lots of different random things. Silly season just ended for a moment, so the fridge is a little bit calmer than normal. But we've got everything you really want in here. Lots of chocolate to keep the kids quiet. And yeah, all your essentials, should we say. And then they've got, what we got here? Oh, brownies 90p, Rocky Road 90p, condiments, and yeah. And as you step out of there, you come out to the Cribbar Bar. Outside toilets, and just a nice outside area. That's actually the entrance. It's barrier controlled, and then over there you've got the overflow parking and the overnight, and that's actually Newquay area over there.
We're back. We're going to be showing you around the place. We're just going in the entrance. People playing. So here's some seats. Let's go get Granny. I'm tired. I'm trying to scare Granny. Boogity boogity. So we've been playing Uno, and Granny's been on sat on her phone.
I'm reading.
While she's on her phone, and I got more Mentos, but I've got plenty more in my little purse. Yeah. So here's the stage where they do the entertainment. Oh. See, look, I'll put you down. Ow, my back. I just hurt my back. It really hurt. Now let's get back up. Let's. I was gonna scare Grumpy, but it didn't work. Wait. Where is she looking? Where is she looking? And he's looking. Let's try to get around the other way. What if I go out the arcade door? Run. Run fast for your mum. I'll make it out slowly. Oh my God, there he is.
What's your name? Where you come from? Are you Charlie the Twin?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
We scared Granny, so we decided to scare you as well.
Oh, you scared Granny off? This gets a lot.
Huh?
Tell her I'm naked, that scares her.
Do a video of me on the stage.
And you're on. Is that it? You're not going to win Britain's Got Talent with that. Charlie's Got Talent. Oh, you twit. Who do you think you are? Dick?
I'm going to try the Mentos machine. So, oh god, I get 4 tries. Press the button. Two Mentos. I've still got 3 more goes. Just press the button. I've got 2 more goes left still. Okay, press the button. And if it gets 4 again, well, I probably won't. Another 2. See how many I've got? I can see them from here. I've got 1 go left. Not this one lucky. Look at all the different Mentos in there. Oh, I've got 2 again. Nice. And oh my golly gosh. Now let's get them to go. My whole hand's full. Makes me wow.
So Charlie has spent how much in the arcade? £2 on the penny slider, is it? Is it the tuppeny slider? Where you put the 2p's in and knock them off? What is it? Oh, I don't know. Anyway, £2. Loads of sweets. I don't care because I've got a Rattler. Granny's got a Shandy. Charlie's got a J2O. Dogs have got scratchings. See you in a minute. Bye. Right, so guys, here we are. It's round 2. Granny's a bit upset because, you know, Charlie's kicking her butt. So, how are you feeling ready for this round?
I'm gonna win.
And how are you feeling, Charlie? She's got a gob full of sweets. She can't tell you. I mean, you know all these Mentos I showed you earlier. Look, she's going to be bouncing off the ceilings later.
It's up to you what colour.
And here we go. And the game is on. Here we go.
I pick green.
We're going for green.
Pick up 4.
And Granny's got to pick up 4.
Pick up 8.
I pick.
Granny's going to... Charlie's going to pick up 8.
Yeah.
Oh my God. She needs bigger hands for this lot.
I'm not looking at those cards.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That was good.
That was a good guess, yes, but... Right. Now she's dropped them all on the floor. So we go, nice video of Charlie's butt.
Look at my bum.
Oh God, God's sake. Pick them cards up. What are you doing, making them? Right. So Charlie needs 4 hands now because she's got that many cards. I know it's Granny's go. And Granny's put down I have no idea.
6.
A 6.
Blue 6.
Blue 6. Charlie's put down a red 6.
Oh, I can't go.
And Granny can't go, she's picked up a card. And it's a red 5.
I can't go.
Granny can't go again. Charlie, what we doing? Oh, Charlie's switched direction. So Charlie gets to pick another card because she's a twit. And how we doing, Granny? How are you feeling about this game so far, Granny?
And then
How are you feeling? Are you feeling confident, Granny?
I am feeling confident. Yeah.
Granny's feeling confident. How are you feeling, Charlie? Are you feeling confident? They're both feeling confident. It's all to play for. They've both got about 20 cards each because they're useless.
Pick up 2.
Oh, Charlie's got to pick up 2. Oh, no, Granny's now got to pick up 4. Oh, my God, the pressure's really on Granny here. How are you feeling right now, Granny? Are you getting stressed now?
I'm not getting stressed
Is
out.
this-
I'm just not winning.
Is it starting to... is the
I'm
sweat
not
starting to break?
confident. Yes.
Oh, my God. And Charlie's getting low on cards here. And Granny's still got 4 hands full.
I can't go.
Oh, and Granny's got another card.
No.
And Charlie's down to her last card. She's a little bit excited, as you can tell. And Charlie's won the game again. Yes. And Charlie is the champion. Charlie is the champion, my friend. She keeps on dancing till the end.